I am frying an egg. I am baking cookies. I am roasting chicken. I am cutting lettuce. I am dicing onions. I am chopping cilantro. I am slicing bread. I am julienning carrots. I am shredding cabbage. I am peeling potatoes. I am trimming green beans. I am carving turkey. I am cubing cheese. I am filleting fish. I am skinning chicken. I am boiling potatoes. I am grilling fish. I am steaming dumplings. I am toasting bread. I am poaching an egg. I am mincing meat. I am mixing flour and water. I am stirring the soup. I am whisking eggs. I am blending a smoothie. I am tossing a salad. I am mashing potatoes. I am shaking the dressing. I am dressing the salad. I am pureeing tomatoes. I am grinding coffee beans. I am crushing garlic. I am kneading dough. I am grating cheese. I am dissolving sugar in coffee. I am pouring milk into the bowl. I am spreading butter on bread. I am marinating the meat. I am glazing donuts. I am brushing egg on the dough. I am adding salt. I am rubbing spices on meat. I am washing the dishes. I am rinsing the glass. I am scrubbing the pan. I am drying lettuce. I am soaking beans. I am cracking an egg. I am weighing sugar. I am measuring flour. I am flipping a pancake. I am turning the steak. I am covering up the bowl. I am heating milk. I am sifting flour. I am rolling dough. I am stuffing peppers. I am scooping out seeds. I am lighting the stove. I am zesting a lemon. I am shaving chocolate. I am decorating cookies. I am stir-frying noodles. I am deep-frying fries. I am piping frosting. I am having a lemon. I am frosting the cake. I am sprinkling cheese. I am garnishing the plate. I am coating chicken with flour. I am sweetening coffee. I am draining pasta. I am serving dinner. I am plating the food. I am scooping ice cream. I am squeezing lemon on salad. I am deboning chicken thighs. I am coring an apple. I am hulling strawberries. I am basting the steak with butter. I am wrapping sushi rolls. I am packing lunch. I am seasoning the soup. I am whipping cream for the cake. I am sautéing onions. I am caramelizing onions. I am scoring the fish skin. I am pitting cherries. I am dusting powdered sugar on cake. I scorched pancake by mistake. I am taking out the tray. I am setting the table. I am shaping cookies. I am filtering juice. I am straining rice. I am organizing kitchen cabinets. I am putting away the dishes. I am throwing away peels. I am sweeping the kitchen floor. I am mopping the kitchen floor.